This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Kathy Galloway. Beautifully redone inside and out. Home has 4 bedrooms plus 3 full baths. Finished basement with full bath plus amazing laundry. Formal dining room with French doors to living room with wood-burning fireplace with blower and private office and library. Attic has been converted to massive suite with 2 walk-in closets and full bath, needs some TLC. New windows, siding and roof. Multi-car parking in back of Oak Avenue to Oak Alley. Above ground pool, deck and fully fenced backyard. Kitchen has granite and exposed brick and breakfast room has floor to ceiling pantry. Full bath on 2ND4 recently completely redone. Hardwood under carpet. Call today. For more information.